Sino hindi pa nakatikim? Taas ang kamay.
Itong apat. Lima kayo. Sige.
Last na to, last.
1, 2. Sino pa ba? 1, 2. Hanggang
Tingnan mo, konti-unti lang, napakain namin kayo.
Meron. Everybody will be served.
Wala na yung lasa. May naman sa ako na. Nene.
Hindi pa nga natin nilagyan pa ng right.
Nilagyan po.
Maglagay ka naman.
Ngayon, kung imagine ninyo, meron siyang mani. Anong lasa? Kung may almond siya. Kung meron siyang... Okay, wait. Actually, hindi lang gulay ang pwedeng ilagay. Pwedeng dito sa isang section sa likod ng LCD natin, you can put some fruits. Anong fruits ang pwedeng ilagay? Mango. Okay? So you can put here mango. You can even put some banana. Ano pang pwede? Saba. Ay, perfect ang saba. Alam niyo ba yun?
Papaya. Hindi ko papaya.
Kung lalagyan din ng papaya, yung medyo medium ripe, kasi ang papaya malabsak, malata. So maglagay kayo ng medium or yung the green papaya, pwede nyo substitute sa carrots. Okay, pwede nyo lagyan ng mango, ng saba. Ano pang pwede ilagay? Ay, wait! Nakalimutan ko! Ang the most pinakamasarap. Alam niyo kung ano? Lagyan niyo ng kamote ng purple. It becomes kamote purple. Magiging purple siya. So, lagyan niyo ng kamote purple. Dilaw na kamote. Aba, abot na tayo hanggang doon sa dulo. Mamaya, 1 trillion recipe na yan. Walang recipe.
Parang ano itong piyaya.
So, that's how you make your gimmick for the crusade, ha? So, ilang churches dito may mga taga-Aurora. Aurora!
Aurora Quezon.
Nawala na yung mga Aurora. Nakakain na. Mga taga-Aurora. Sino yung mga pirates kahapon? Saan mga tipid mga pirates kahapon? Taga saan kayong church? Ha? Santa Cruz. Wala tayong competition dito. Kanya-kanya kayong area, ha? Aurora, Santa Cruz, Mindanao. Saan kayong area? Taga saan kayo? Osamis. Cavite kayo? Ha? Binyan. Binyan, Cavite. Taga saan po kayo?
Na yung masaya.
Occidental Mindoro. Sino pa? Kayo taga saan? Davao. O sino ko kompetensya sa Davao? Hindi natin kakompetensya ang Davao. Sino pa? Taga saan po kayo? Bohol! Ay, grabe na to, ha? Grabe na to, Eden. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo imported, si Eden na lang magpunta sa inyo. Eden, mag-crusade tayo. Ikaw mag-umpisa. Tapusin mo yan. Ikutin mo, Eden, lahat yan. Okay. So, this is actually the camp. Oy, alam nyo, you can also make some crusade force, a shake. Pag-shake ang crusade, wow. And we keep the Santa Cena, no. You have to buy your own Santa Cena cups, yung ganun lang kalaki. Para pag nag-blend kayo, when you do the blending, tatlong blend nyo lang, isang blender lang, 50 people kaya nyo pakainin. Pero dapat yung ganun lang na Santa Cena na cups. Huwag yung custard, ha, lugi kayo doon. At saka, tapos na yung 30 minutes for the crusade nyo, hindi pa kayo tapos mag-blend. Hindi pa nakakatikim ang mga tao. So, ginagawa namin yung ganun lang kalaki na cup, pero it is owned by the cooking class. Hindi siya owned ng church. Huwag niyong paghaluin yung pang Santa Cena at your own cup, at yung cup niyo for cooking class. You can also do the fruit blend detox. Yesterday, I was promising the fruit blend detox. Alam niyo kung paano gumawa ng best fruit blend? Yung fruit blend detox, pwede na puntahan sa YouTube. Tapos pindutin nyo Need Help Ministries or Need, isang word lang siya, Need Help. Makikita nyo. O kaya pindutin nyo Blisenda Varona. Lalabas ako doon. Hanapin nyo lang yung blender yun ng fruit blend detox. Okay, ganito lang ang fruit blend detox. You'll be using papaya. Okay, wait. Wait muna. May history to. It can reverse diseases. Miracle. Hindi din namin alam kung bakit. But because of the phytochemicals in these fruits, it can reverse diseases. You know, sometimes there are people attending our seminar, yung mga hopeless case. Anong gagawin namin? May cancer. Wala nang pag-asa sa akin. Okay, alisin ang kami lahat. Follow vegetarian, okay, fruit blend. Fruit blend kasi masarap inumin yun. Hindi katulad ng fruit. Yeah, you can also do the vegetable juicing. Pero i-alternate mo dapat fruit blend para makasustain yung tao. Yung fruit blend namin so simple. Papaya. Kung malinis ang balat, isama mo ang balat, i-blend mo. Kasama ang pakwan, kasama ang buto ng pakwan, kasama ang inner balat. Yung inner balat, yung yellow part ng pakwan. So magiging tubig, pag pakwan ang nilagay mo, magiging tubig muna. Tapos lalagyan mo ng papaya. Pag serious yung tao, lagyan mo ng buto ng papaya. You know, the papain content of the buto is so unique and it is really so potent. Alam nyo, minsan may nagdumaan lang sa seminar namin from saan nga siya dad? For ano siya, surgery ng for total hysterectomy siya. From Europe, nurse, pauwi sa Philippines, dito siya magpapa-opera, napadaan lang sa seminar namin. Mga non-Adventist people to ha, pagdaan niya, edi sabi niya, anyway, sige, 3 months naman ako dito sa Philippines. Sumubok muna ako ng fruit blend. On the second week, wala na yung myoma niya. So second month. So third month, umuwi siya, bago siya bumalik ng Europe, bumalik sa amin. Alam mo, wala. Sa ultrasound, wala na. Sabi ko, papaya, palang kapalit nito eh. Pero they keep on saying, syempre, papaya, watermelon, maraming dasal. Okay, yan talaga yun. Okay. Maraming dasal, plant-based diet. Can you put this in? We saw so many patients na may ganitong history. Kaya yung papaya, that can really be your crusade event.
Yun lang ang meal niya, yun lang ang meal niya.
Alam niyo yung pinakamasarap na chapati, itong pinagtanggalan ni Eden. Pinakahuli. Pag plinat yan, lahat ng flavor nandyan. Alright. Yes. So pag nagtawag uli ng meeting, nagtawag uli tayo ng camp, balik ko kayo uli.
Mayroon pang dagdag dyan eh. Pagtanghaling tapat, ikaw mag-aasin.
Sige, okay. So what we're doing there at Pasay is we do conduct this lesson every other week. First and third Sunday of the month. So this is our 5th year. Pagkarating October, that will be another time. Kasi yung Tuesday at saka Thursday, kinuha ng Bangko Sentral. So naiwan na lang sa public is every other Sunday. Pero pwede nyo nang gawin yun. Experiment mo muna kayo kasi pag tikman nyo na, para kahit anong itanong doon sa crusade o sa pag-sharing ninyo, alam nyo na ako. Eden, may parting words ka ba sa kanila?
Kuha na lahat eh. Pero ito po, no, ilang kilo kaya ito? Siguro
1 kilo lahat.
1 kilo. Siguro wala pa. Mga pag-3-4 to. So, ilan po yung nagastos lang natin? Sa cooking class natin ngayon? Mga 1/4 kaya, magkano 1/4 ang ano? Sa 15, mga siguro mga 20 pesos lang. Nakakain na buong family at nakapagbigay pa kayo sa family. Nakapag-crusade pa. Yan, crusade, spirituality, healthy pa. So, holistic po ito ginagawa natin. So, pagpapala po ito.
Alright, so thank you very much. I hope everybody has been filled. May last words ka pa, Blessing. Habang nag-summarize tayo dito, sa summarize ng Giligpit, Blessing, sa iyo na ulit, kapatay na natin ang lives.
Okay, we cannot just let you go if we miss this lecture. This is few slides, but this will actually encourage all of us. Now, you're doing 2 things here, right? You're thinking of strategies to improve your capillaries. That's your basic plan, right? Especially those of you who have ugly capillary, not so good capillaries. And number 2, later on, you're thinking of some ministering to other people, maybe to your church, or those of you who are really willing to share talents with us in HCBN. I'll be communicating with you kasi we have a very good project for HCBN Manila. Totoo to. Diba, Herb? Malaking problema natin dito. Wala tayong talents. And we will be communicating. Those of you who were not here yesterday and you want to contribute your talent maybe in the future for HCBN, please leave your name, your address, your cell phone number, and your talents. What I mean by talent, what is in your hand right now? You're a nurse, You're a commerce, you're a computer, you can be a director, a scriptwriter, a talent, a host, or anything. Just give us your talent and we will be communicating with you, the ACBN. Okay, for the ACBN Manila. Ang talent namin from the youngest to the oldest kasi we have to see to the world that we have, the old health people here, ha? Kaya gusto. Alam niyo, ito lang yata ang seminar lahat ng PYC na daming tanda, matanda.
May question daw.
Ano, iniba na namin tong seminar. Ano pangalan nga natin dito?
Senior, ay.
Philippine Senior for Christ. PSY. Sabihin niyo na, ha?
Pero meron pa akong tanong. Pwede po bang mag-recommend dyan ng senior?
Yeah, you can recommend the singer, yeah. If we will be creating a program, singer, a host, a scriptwriter, you know, yung may mga talent. Actually, we don't have programs, pero pag nagsama-sama, lumalabas ang program. Di ba, Kurt? When I went to Iloilo, hindi ko akalain na makakaproduce kami ng program. And here comes people, ano title ng program natin? Sabi nila, ay, kitchen treasures. Eh, wala kaming mga treasure. Kunwari mga treasure sa ilalim, ang fake na kitchen. You know, it may secret of lunch. No, we can have so many titles and we really need your talents. Yun lang. Okay, before we dismiss you, I'd like to show you this slide. This is the power to think intelligently. And we have already stimulated you since the other day, right? And I keep on saying, God has given you the mind. The brain is so powerful. You know, God has given us this. This is really the best part of the organ, body organ. And when I say you have the power to think intelligently, it is beyond your imagination. I was telling you that yesterday, right? I keep on saying, you know, it's one person approached me the other night, Blessy, you are teaching about the secret. You know the book, The Secret? That is the secret of the millionaires, why they became so rich. But hey, I don't believe in that, in the secret. I believe the talent and everything, your richness, your talent, and your everything comes from God. Yung the secret, in-isolate lang nila, inaangkin nila, mali yun. Kasi the secret is only I. But actually, the secret is you have given the mind to think intelligently, and that comes from God. Okay? The mind, let's try to see the brain. Let's try to divide the brain into 3 parts. The lower brain, the middle brain, and the upper brain. The lower brain is a little bit selfish. When somebody kicks you like that, gusto mong banatan, di ba? You want to fight back. Pag chinismis ka, you want to fight back. That lower part of the brain is also a little bit selfish. If, you gentlemen, you have higher testosterone, right? And that is actually a little bit selfish. Oh, that is responsible for your sex drive. Do you know that? Yeah, you're normal if you're like that. God created you like that, with higher sexual drive. Now, the middle portion of the brain is also important. That is your memory. That is the CD of the body. The CD is there. All the memory, the recorder. Lahat ng record niyo sa chapati nasa middle brain niyo ngayon. Now, what I'm presenting right now is the upper portion of the brain. Look! The upper portion of the brain is your frontal lobe. Now, look at this lady. Look at the scenario here. When you gentlemen, look at the lady. What can you say about the lady? Hindi siya makasalita kasi katabi ang girlfriend. Pinsan mo ba yan? Hindi eh. Hindi ko yun. Okay, what can you say about the lady? Maganda. Alam mo yung mga babae, pag tinanong mo, sasabihin, fine, okay. Ay, maganda. And when you look at the lady, pag binagsak ko dito, nakatiba kaya ko. Okay. And here comes, dopamine is produced by the brain. And the dopamine actually longs for pleasure. Wow. That's the reason why you gentlemen say, sexy, wow, legs. Okay. Longs for pleasure, immediate gratification. But wait, the mind is so powerful. It doesn't just process these things. Especially you pastors, you elders of the church, you married people, you don't just look at that lady as if, wow, really wow. Because the brain is also processing things. The amygdala and dopamine are servants, not master. Value system. Stop the fighting. Kahit nakita mo, wow, leg, fine, okay, may asawa kaya ako. Hey, pastor kaya ako. Hey, youth leader kaya ako. Hey, teka muna, yung asawa ko, mahal ko yan. Aba, teka muna, yung asawa ko maganda din yan. Kaso lang nung araw. Sama. Grabe na yan. Now wait, stop the firing. You are now entering into Value system, long-term reward. Wait, I better not touch this lady. Eh, prostitute yan eh. Teka muna, hindi ko naman girlfriend yan, hindi ko naman asawa yan. Long-term reward. Ang long-term reward natin is heavenward, right? The heaven's reward. Teka muna, hindi yan ako mapapatalo dyan. Okay, wait. Second scenario. Look at the ice cream. Ooh. And when you say, ooh, the same thing's happening when you see beautiful lady. Why? The dopamine is produced immediate gratification. I like that ice cream. You know, sometimes when you pass by the mall and you smell the fried chicken, especially first time na nagve-vegetarian kayo, ay, naku, ano ba yan? Ang sarap-sarap. Dopamine longs for pleasure, immediate gratification. But wait, God has given you the power to think intelligently. And when you look at the ice cream, hey, wait, stop the firing. You know, for you ladies, yeah, this can only be in your lips for 3 seconds, right? You roll it in your lips, 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and swallow. But this one is forever and ever, especially when we grow old. It's forever in here, so better stop the firing. But God has given us the power to think intelligently. You know what? You can make more than that ice cream. That's the reason why being creative in your cooking is very important. Kaya kakagating sa crusade ang gimmick natin. Kasi lahat yan nangangailangan ng healthy diet. Okay? But it must really be very attractive. Okay, look at this. So you're now entering into healthy choice. When God created you guys, God created you with bigger frontal lobe than the other animals. We have 33% of our frontal lobe of our brain is the frontal lobe. Kaya malaki yung power natin to think wisely. Okay, compared to the cat and to the dogs. That's the reason why we keep on saying to the smoker, sasabihin namin, hoy, kaibigan, kaya mong tumigil, matalino ka kaya? Kaya mo yan. But you really need to prepare for the withdrawal syndrome. And later on, pag naintindihan nila to, kaya pala nilang tumigil. Okay? Now, looking at the brain. The brain is so small. By weight, it is only 3 pounds. By weight, only 3 pounds. Maliit lang to. Okay, but the 3 pounds brain is so mighty. It has 10 billion neurons. And it has 10 trillion bridges. According to Daniel Amen in his book, Change Your Mind and Change Your Lifestyle, this is the most complex organ in the well-known universe. You know what? Hi, believe me. Can you imagine a trillion? Yesterday, I was discussing about the body, right? And I was telling you the body has 75 trillion cells. Now, this time, those of you who have just arrived today, do you know how big a trillion is? Hey friends, let's try to see. If you will be giving me a gift, I want it in dollars, okay? Because it's bigger than a peso. So if you'll be giving me 100 peso or $100, I'll get the $100. Okay, look, this is a $100 bill. $100 bill, I like this. Okay, let's try to see a trillion. And this is actually 10,000. Oh, I can keep my $10,000 here inside my jacket. And you don't know I have 10,000 here. And if you want to see really million, there is million here. You don't know? I have kept the $1 million here. You cannot recognize, but it's there. That is how big a $1 million bill. Yung bang pinagpatong-patong na ganito, pinagpatong-patong na ganito, yan ang 1 million na. A billion. This is a billion. Wait. I can still keep my $1 billion in my bedroom. And you don't know that I have $1 billion. And it's just a top secret. You know, you want to know a trillion? A trillion is this. That's the man. That's 1 trillion. Gaano kadami ang bridges, ang connections ng mind? According to science, it has 10 trillion bridges. And at 10 trillion bridges, this is 7 trillion. But you know what? Wait! It runs. Kasi it's a communication, di ba? Synopsis yan eh. It's a bridge. It's a communication. It communicates to one cell to another. Hindi lang yan, basta ganyan ha. It runs. That's the reason why when I touch you like this, immediately, I am touched by blessing. You know, you touch him at the back. Oh, I'm touched immediately. Okay, the whole body knows that you are touched. Hey, the bridges, it communicates and it runs. You know how long it runs? It runs a velocity of 120 meters per second. One communication. So, if I will be spreading out my mind, my brain, just my mind, huh? Yesterday we scattered our endothelium, right? My endothelium, I scattered it. But today I'll be scattering my mind. And I try to scatter 1 trillion per second and it runs 120 meters each. So if I will be spreading out my mind, it will even cover the wide portion of not just the Philippines, not just the earth, it will cover a wide portion of the universe. When God created you guys, God created me with that power. That's the reason why the mind is so powerful. When you say, I want to happen this will really happen. I want to do this will actually happen. Yesterday I was telling you, just say it. Come on, say it. I want to be the next president of the United States and the Philippines. Okay. One gentleman here shouted, I want to be the next president of Mamsi. And that will happen. And he's just a first-year student of AUP. And that's his dream.
President
Huh?
Channel.
Yeah, you can be the president of Hope Channel if you like. Okay? You want to be the president, you want the owner of this company, that will happen. I want to evangelize to thousands and millions of people, and that will happen. You say it. Okay? Because that's so powerful. Now, look, going back again to the brain. So that's the synapses, and it runs 120 meters per second. Boom! Boom! That's the reason why the mind is so powerful. Now, look. That's the reason why habits make life easier. You don't need to make an agonizing decision to extend your left to the next. You know, when you keep on doing this will really happen. Okay? Now, that's the reason why when you keep on entertaining anger, it will also happen. But you keep, I want to love, I want to forgive. Just say it and it will actually happen. Now, some of you would say, sinning. Yeah, you keep on sinning, that will happen. Keep on entertaining sinning and that will actually happen. But think of purity, that will also happen. Now, you need to say it. I want that guy to be my husband. Whoa. And you pray hard. And God will really give you that person. I told that to David secretly, I want him, huh? And finally, he became my husband. You have to say it and you have to pray for it. You know, I want that guy, he's my partner in my ministry. And it will really happen. Okay, so the mind is so powerful. Now, that's the reason why it is the neural pathway for behavior and memory and all this. Now, another question here. Is science able to map the brain and locate the area which exercises willpower, choice, and controls ethical behavior? Totoo ba yan? And you know, some of you have already learned this lesson about Phineas Gage, right? Phineas Gage was a railroad construction worker in Vermont construction firm. And they discovered that it was a tragic accident happened to Phineas Gage one day. Now, by the way, they're responsible for the explosion so that yung mga mountain na yan, they can have pathways crossing underneath the mountain. And this Phineas Gage actually is responsible for the explosive bomb, putting the trigger. So they're using usually the tampering iron as long as this. And you know, the tampering iron, they have to put some trigger and it will explode to that area one day. Tragic accident happened. Instead of going to that direction, yung explosion, it came back to Phineas. And it hit his eye, his cheek and his eyes, and his frontal lobe. You know what? So when it hit that way, it even went away from him, far away from him, yung tampering iron. By the way, wait. It happened 1848 before they have discovered the antibiotic. You nurses, you know how it means. You cannot survive a person with infection without antibiotic. But it happened 1848 before the antibiotic was discovered. But amazing! They were able to recover Phineas alive. And Phineas was alive. But they discovered something. This is now the neuroscience discovery. they discovered that, hey guys, before the incident, Phineas was a very loving person. Really, a very loving husband, very loving father, very, very tender and kind and gentle. And actually he won the best worker for Vermont construction firm, the best worker. Phineas is a best man, good guy. But you know what? After the incident, everything changed. He became a bad person. Doesn't want to be with the family, with the children, doesn't want to work anymore. Finally, he just, wandering around. He was just wandering around. Ayaw na niya umuwi sa bahay. Naging masama siya. And then finally, they discovered, Phineas died after 13 years of that incident. And if you want to see Phineas right now, his skull, and the tampering iron, the skull with hole in here, and the tampering iron are still in Warren Anatomical Museum in Harvard University, telling us that the frontal lobe, you can still be alive even though you don't have frontal lobe. But you don't have character. You don't have mission. You know what? So I congratulate all of you. The reason why you are here in PYC, you have mission in life, right? The reason why you are here, it's the other day we were discussing about ministering. You know what? I personally believe you people here will be in action immediately when we go out. Because we have the local missions here. Okay? Here, I personally believe you are using your frontal lobe. And here comes, they discovered that a man can even live without the frontal lobe. But they discovered that you don't have the control center. You don't have character. That frontal lobe, they discover, is the seat of your intentionality. That's the seat of your will. That is the primary organ for conscience. That is the seat of your spirituality. Actually, that is the primary organ through which heaven communicates with us. When you pray, you're using your frontal lobe, guys. Hey, when you worship God, when you sing, you're using frontal lobe. When you are listening to Pastor David, all of us are using our own frontal lobe, and we're saying, wow, thank you, Lord. Now I understand that. We are all using our frontal lobe when we are thinking good. Now, right here, there was a study done. The God gene in us. The God gene in us, and they discovered that this man here, I don't know if he's a Christian, his name is Dean Hammer. The molecular biologist, chief of gene structure at the National Cancer Institute, claims that he has located one of the genes responsible for profound feelings of spirituality. And it's in the frontal lobe. And they're now saying, even anthropologists find there is universal longing after God, and it's happening in the mind. And scientists are now saying that the brain is hardwired for God to dream. Dream. I was telling you the other day, you have to dream for something higher and better. And when I say you dream, you imagine for greatness. It's not just a simple ministry. We want to conquer the world. No, we cannot just do simple ministry in the crusade. We can do both in the barangay and in the media. When we say media, we can cover wide portion of the universe, of the nation, of the Philippines, or maybe other parts of the country. Now, here, look at the energy. Here. When you look at the ice cream, when I showed you the ice cream, and some of you said, wow. You know, there is desire, right? By 30 millivolts of energy, wow, I like that ice cream. I'm already hungry. Wow, I like the ice cream. But later on, you pause for a while and think wisely. Hey, pause, stop the firing. When you do that, God will provide you 40 millivolts of energy, which is higher than 30 millivolts of energy. Can you see that? When you look at the legs of the lady, do you look at the legs?
Sure.
Sure. You should be honest. You look at the legs. Wow, legs. When you look at the legs, it's normal. Okay, fine. 30 millivolts firing in your mind. But wait. When you just pause, Lord, help me. There is 40, even higher, I personally believe. There is 40 millivolts. Stop the firing. That legs is not for you. Hey! When you look at anger, I hate that guy. He's not good guy. He's not a good guy. I hate that pastor. I hate that youth member. I hate him. This is not good. There is 30 millivolts in your mind. You want fight, right? But later on, you post for a while and said, I want God's energy. I want God's, power in me. And that is 40 millivolts. And you will discover, you're angry, but later on, it's gone. Yeah? Later on, you discover, you're mad at that person, but later on, oh, I can love him. Even though he's like that. Hey. 30 millivolts, everybody is, ministering is sometimes tiring, right? I just want to sit in church. I just want comfort here. But later on, hey, I want energy. And you move. You say, God will use the 40 millivolts in you. Okay? So friends, I hope and pray. Even sinning. There is sinning. You sometimes want internet, sometimes want, bad movies or bad music. There is energy by 30 millivolts of energy. But later on, turn to God. And the 40 millivolt is embedded in us. Okay, that's the time you have to listen to the heavenly music and read the good scripture and read the Bible. And you can now have more time with God. And then later on, you have to show it. You can actually reflect it by your works and by your actions, joining in the ministry. And that is 40 millivolts of energy. Okay, finally. We were together. For some of you, we were already together for 3 days. Yeah, you dream big. You improve your capillaries. You need to correct some of your lifestyle, right? But you know what? Sometimes you would say, it's still lacking. I need more management. And the management that is best, and we should not miss this one, is this. You pray, you ask God, you pray, and later on you receive. Yeah, you know now the importance of all this New Start program, but later on you keep on praying, Lord, help me that power, and you will receive it. Everything will be yours if you cooperate with God. All your prayers, Lord, please give me this, but your principle should always be in coordinate, in line with God's principle. If your principle, Lord, I want this ministering with this person here. But it must really be in line with God's principle. And I personally believe everything will be yours. Okay? So good luck to all of you. And I hope and pray that we have already started it good. The HCBN will be communicating to you maybe soon if we have already established the program for the HCBN Manila. Thank you very much and God bless us all.
Ano yung pangatlo, ma'am? Isang three parts of the brain.
The lower, the middle, and the frontal lobe. This is how I spell. This is how you spell. Ayan. Frontal lobe.
Three parts, di ba? The middle and then lower part.
The middle, the lower.